selected for a local authors showcase, and I'm the only young author here. Everyone else is just a normal local author. And if you guys want, you can go to the Brampton Library, and you guys can get my book at the library. So yeah, have fun with that. This is a big achievement for me. And I'll tell you which libraries are gonna have my book. Now let's come. Over here is my book.
What's the book?
It's called
Amazing. How is your showcase going today?
my showcase is going really well.
Oh, that's so good to know. And thank you so much for featuring in our video. Thanks.
So guys, now I'm going to show you how to get my book from the library. So first you're going to go to the search tab and you're going to type in Brampton Library. You can click the first one if you want. Then you click the Brampton Library home. This will load up and you want to click the Local Authors Showcase Book Fair. Don't click any other pages like that one. You want to click the Local Authors Showcase. Next, you scroll down and you do not click the Local Authors Showcase Book Fair. You want to click the Local Authors Showcase 2026 to 2027. This shows you all the books that were there, but if you want to find my book, click Sort, click Author, and go to the 7th slot. And that should say Exploring Space Debris by Bharati Sanjeev. And if you want to see some details about it, you can click Exploring Space Debris and yeah. But if you want to get my book, you want to go and click Place Request. You have to log in if you're not logged in already, and then just enter your details and get my book. I'd really appreciate it if you do. Thanks.